Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to compare two popular Linux distributions that have gained traction in the community, Nobara and Cachy. These two distros have different approaches when it comes to performance, accessibility, and user experience. Let's dive into their unique features and see which one might be the best fit for you, whether you're a gamer, a developer, or a Linux enthusiast looking for the best experience. First up, let's talk about Nobara. Built on Fedora, Nobara is designed to offer user-friendliness and gaming convenience. If you're coming from Windows or just want an easy-to-use system, Nobara makes it simple. Developed by Glorious Eggroll, who's also known for his work on Proton GE, Nobara focuses on simplifying Fedora for gamers and creators. It comes preloaded with essential tools like multimedia codecs, NVIDIA drivers, and gaming packages such as Wine, Lutris, and OBS. All of these elements are integrated seamlessly into the system, allowing you to spend your time enjoying your content rather than configuring software. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or just a regular user, Nobara makes the transition to Linux easy, with everything ready to go once installed. It's designed for those who want a system that just works, plug and play. On the other hand, Cachy is built with a much more technical approach. Based on Arch Linux, it focuses on performance tuning and efficiency for those who want maximum responsiveness and speed. The developers behind Cachy focus on squeezing out the maximum performance from your system. With performance-optimized kernels, support for multiple schedulers, and pre-built binaries optimized for different CPU architectures, this distribution is designed to ensure that your system performs as efficiently as possible. If you're working with high-demand applications or you need an environment that's optimized for maximum throughput, Cachy is a great choice. However, it's important to note that Cachy is much more technical and complex than Nobara, and it requires a deeper understanding of Linux to get the best performance. While Nobara is great for users who just want things to work, Cachy offers a system that you can fine-tune for maximum performance. One of the most notable differences between these two distributions is their philosophy. Nobara is all about accessibility and simplicity. It's plug and play, making it perfect for users who want everything to just work. Once installed, it's ready to go with minimal configuration. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or just a regular user, Nobara focuses on providing an easy-to-use experience. In contrast, Cachy gives you more control over your system. It's about fine-tuning every aspect for maximum performance, but this comes at the cost of complexity. If you enjoy tinkering with your system and optimizing every part of it, Cachy is a great fit. However, if you want a system that's easy to use without a lot of setup, Nobara is the better option. Another big difference is in their update philosophies. Nobara follows Fedora's lifecycle, meaning that it gets frequent but stable updates. Updates are carefully managed through version upgrades, so you don't have to worry about breaking things or constantly troubleshooting. In contrast, Cachy follows Arch Linux's rolling release model, which means it delivers constant updates with the latest packages straight from upstream repositories. The upside is that you get access to cutting-edge Linux technologies earlier, but it also requires more maintenance to keep everything stable. Frequent updates in Cachy mean that there's more work involved in keeping your system running smoothly. When it comes to gaming, Nobara takes the lead for anyone looking for a plug-and-play experience. Steam, Proton, and DXVK are already pre-installed and pre-configured, allowing you to jump straight into your games. For a smooth and hassle-free gaming experience, Nobara is hard to beat. However, Cachy leaves the gaming setup to the user. You'll need to manually configure Wine, Proton, and other gaming tools. While Cachy provides excellent performance once everything is set up, it's not as streamlined for gaming as Nobara, which is perfect for users who want a ready-to-go system for gaming. So, which one should you choose? Well, it depends on your needs. If you want a user-friendly, gaming-optimized system that works right out of the box, Nobara is the way to go. It's perfect for anyone who doesn't want to waste time on setup and just wants to start using Linux with all the essential tools ready. On the other hand, if you're a performance enthusiast, a developer, or someone who loves to tinker with every aspect of your system, then Cachy might be the right choice for you. It offers maximum performance and gives you full control over your system configuration. Both distributions offer something unique, and neither one is inherently better than the other. It all comes down to what you're looking for: simplicity and ease with Nobara, or power and control with Cachy. Nobara and Cachy are proof that Linux can be tailored to whatever kind of user you want to be, whether you're a gamer, a developer, or a tinkerer at heart. I hope this comparison helped you decide which distribution suits you best. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more Linux tips and comparisons.